But
So it is now the remote.
now this is a candy brand. It is 8 by 5 washer 8 and also 5 dryer 1400 rpm. Now this is Smart Pro brand model candy. This machine actually the complaint it is having too much vibrating while we are visiting customer house. Actually customer kept the top of the one this uh, kit, the mounting rack. Because of that only this machine actually vibrating too much. Now what I'm going to do, this one already I fixed the load. Now it is almost 7 kg 6 kg machine inside the load fabric. Now I'm going to remove the this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this stand actually because it's too much vibrating. You can hear the noise here, too much. It's irritating noise. I kept inside top of the machine this sabon also, liquid butter. You can see how is getting vibrate. Now what I'm going to do, now I will remove the stand and we will check it is whether wobbling or not. That's mean vibrating or not. Now I will remove the stand and I'm keeping without stand inside the washroom this machine also. But anyway, we will keep the down and we will check. Now I already shut down the machine. Now I'm going to remove the stand. Now you can see here, I already removed the stand. This is very height actually. Now I already removed the stand. Now I'm here. You can see inside the fabric, the machine. It's not much load. Now I'm selecting again drain and spin cycle. Now I will start the machine. Now we can see it is vibrating or not. Again we will keep that liquid bottle also top of the machine. Now you can see here it is remaining time showing 9 minutes. I select already here 1000 rpm. Now machine already it is little bit vibrating because you know it's inside one towel, actually cotton towel, because of that, but it's not making abnormal noise. This is the actually it is normal. Now you can see this liquid bottle also, it's not too much bubbling. Now it's increasing rpm, not making abnormal noise. You can see here now it's not actually vibrating much, but inside it's enough fabric. It is almost 7 kg inside. Now you can see the difference while they are keeping top of the stand and without stand. We can keep top of the stand, but it should be the proper uh, uh, weight, proper balance, also strength. You can see here it's not vibrating. Hello. Now you can see here it's not vibrating. It is already inside having fabric. This one load because of that is small sound coming from the machine. Hmm.
This big sound.
No, it is normal, madam. It's not the big. If you put more load, it's not coming that much. Now it is okay. Now it's before it's too much. See, it's like that. Say shaking. Now see,
The sound.
sound. It is normal, madam. It's normal.
Sure?
Yeah, sure, sure. You can put more load, and you can see abnormal noise. It is okay. No any abnormal noise. You can see here. It's not vibrating. Also, I will show you the load. I will stop the machine.
This?
And see it's not making vibrate too much. It is normal. This is the difference top of the rack and without rack, and you have to do the same way, otherwise it's making too much vibrate because the load is very high. 8 kilo machine. And also I can show you the load. It is huge load inside actually, because I need to check, that's why I will off the machine, and again I will on. Door will open. Now it is, we can open. Now you can see here it is load inside. That's why it's little bit vibrate, because with the load only. And thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video.